I believe that the history of the museum is not only for us sitting here, it is for people that are coming, the young people, to preserve the history and our cultures. There are a lot of items that are in this museum. Part of the most important tool in this museum is the book that I'm holding here. 100 years of railway in Namibia. It was actually a baby that was initiated by our former colleague, Mr. Walter. May his soul rest in peace. He is the one who initiated this. It's about heritage, to preserve heritage. Heritage is because if you don't know where you come from, it's going to be always difficult to talk about history. History will always be part of our society. We need to sensitize the history, allow the kids to learn about the history, and preserve cultures. Those are the most important things.